Good time class. In this video we are going to solve the remaining part of exercise number 12.2. So question number 5 is a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, find how much grass will each cow be getting. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is we have to make a rhombus. Okay, let it be the longer diagonal. Okay, each side is 30 centimeter or meter. It is meter. So it is 30 meter, it is also 30 meter. And this one is 48 meter. Done. So this diagonal divides the rhombus in two triangles. So we will find area of one triangle and then multiply it by 2. Then we will get the total area. So S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2 equals to 30 plus 30 plus 48 upon 2 equals to 108 by 2 equals 54. Then area equals to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to root 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 48. Okay, so it will be root, what is 54 minus 30 equals to 24, again 24 and it will be 6. Okay, 54 is 6 into 9 and 9 is 3 into 3. 24, we have 2 times 24 and then 6. So we got a pair of 3, a pair of 6 and a pair of 24. So it is 24 into 6 into 3 centimeter meter square. Okay, this is area of one triangle. So area of rhombus equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, area of rhombus equals to 2 into area of triangle equals to 2 multiplied by 24 into 6 into 3 centimeter square. Okay, so I am not multiplying it right now because we will have to divide it. Okay, so total area for each cow equals to total area for number of cow. Total area is 2 multiplied by 24 into 6 into 3 upon 18. 6 3s are 18 and 3 3s are 3. So equals to 48 meter square. This is the total area for each cow. Next is question number 6. Okay, look at the diagram. A kite, an umbrella is made by stretching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. Each piece measuring 20, 50 and 50 centimeter its length. How much cloth of each color is required? So there are 10 triangular pieces. So 5 will be of one color and 5 will be of other color. Okay, so area of each triangular pieces, this is 50, this is also 50 and this is 20 centimeter Okay. So area of one triangle equals to area of triangle equals to. So first of all, we have to find S. So S will be A plus B plus C upon 2. 50 plus 50 plus 20 by 2. It will be 60. And area of triangle is root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to root 60 into 60 minus 50, again 60 minus 50 and 60 minus 20. Okay, so it will be root 60 is 6 into 10, multiply by 10 into 10, and 60 minus 20 is 40. So 4, 0. So we can say it 10, 10, 10, and it will be 4 into 10. So root 6 will be 2 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 and again 4 into 10. Okay, so this 10 will have group of them. So 2 times 10 will be outside. Then what we can do is we can say that it will be 6 and it will be, what is 4? 2 into 2. So it will have group of 2 also, and the inside one will be 2 into 3, 6. It will be 200 root 6 for each triangular part. So total area for each colored is total cloth required of each color equals to 5 into area of triangle equals to 5 multiplied by 200 root 6 equals to 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Okay, so why didn't I multiply it by 10? Because there are 2 types of cloth and 5 triangles are of each color. Okay, next is question number 7. A kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Okay, question number 8. So a kite is drawn and it is a square. Okay. This is part number first, this is part number second. So class, we know that its diagonals are 32 and 32. So this diagonal is 32 and this diagonal is also 32 in length. But we know that diagonals of a rectangle or that diagonals of a square bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree. It means this is 32, this will be 16 and 16. Okay. So we can say that this is triangle number 1 and this is triangle number 2. So area, we can find the area by 1 upon 20. This will be base and this will be the height of the triangle. Okay. So area of triangle number 1 equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by base. What is the base? The base is 32. And what is the height? 16. So it will be 256 centimeter square. Okay. So area of second triangle equals to same as area of triangle number 1 equals to 256 centimeter square. Okay, and okay class, area of this third part is, so we have equal side 6 and the base is 8. So first of all, what area of third triangle equals to? So area of third triangle is, first of all we have to find S, A plus B plus C upon 2 equals to 6 plus 6 plus 8 upon 2. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 by 2 equals to 10. Now area of triangle equals to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to root 10 into 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8. Okay, so it will be root 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2. So we make the pair of 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 will be outside and root 5 will be there. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 multiplied by 2.23. So it will be 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 0.8 to 16 and 1 17, 17.84 centimeter square approx. Okay, this will be your final answer to question number 7. Okay, next is question number 8. So question number 8 is, a floral design is given and what we have to do is we have to find the total amount that we need to draw it. Okay, in that floral design there is 16 tiles which are triangular in shape and the shape is 22, 9 and 35. So first of all what we have to do is we have to draw a triangle. These type of 16 tiles are there. Question number 8. It is 35, it is 9 and it is 28 centimeter. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is we have to find area of one tile, then we will multiply it by 16 and then multiply it by cost. So S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. So 35 plus 9 plus 28 upon 2. 72 by 2 equals 36. Okay, then area root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Done, equals to root 36 into 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28 and 36 minus 35. Okay, so root 36 will be 6 into 6, 36 minus 9 is 27 and 36 minus 28 is 8 and 36 minus 35 is 1. Okay, so it will be root it will be 6 into 6 and 27 can be break into 3 into 3, 9 and 9 into 3, 27 and 8 can be break into 2 into 2 into 2. So we got a pair of 6, got a pair of 3 and got a pair of 2. So it will be 6 into 3 into 2 root 3 into 2 equals to 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36 root 6 and the value of root 6 is 2 point, okay, 2.44 5. Okay, 2.449. Okay, the value of 36 is, the root 6 is 2.449. Now we have to multiply this by this. So it will be 8, 8, 1, 6, 4, and after 3 we are going to place a point. 88.164 centimeter square. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find area of 16. So total cost equals to total area into rate. So total area will be 16 multiplied by 88.164. 88.164 into the rate is 50 paise per centimeter square, and 50 paise can be written as 50 upon 100 as rupees. So it will be 1 by 2, and 2 can be used to divide it. It will be 8 multiplied by 88.164. It will be 2. And 6, 70. So the answer is 705 rupees. Okay, 0.60. Okay, so 705 rupees. Done. So class, this was question number 8. Next is question number 9. So question number 9 is, what we are given is, we are given a trapezium, and what we have to do, we have to find its area. So a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10. So this is the trapezium, and the parallel sides are 25 and 10, or we can say it like this is 10 and the whole length is 25. Done. Now the non-parallel sides are 14 and 13. These two are non-parallel sides, so it will be 14 and it will be 13 meters. Now what we have to do is we have to find the area. Okay, so to find the area, what we have to do is just draw a parallel line to this line. Okay, so this line is parallel to this and this line is parallel to this. So it will be a parallelogram, because if two parallel lines intersect other two parallel lines, then they makes a parallelogram. So it will also be 14. This is 10 and this will also be 10. Okay, so if this is 10, then the remaining this part will be 15. Okay, now we got the sides of this triangle. So area of triangle will be, so area of triangle equals to, first of all we have to find S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2 equals to 15 plus 13 plus 14. 15 plus 13 plus 14 by 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 2 and 4, it will be 2. It will be 21. Okay, so area equals to root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to root S is 21, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14 and 21 minus 30. Okay, so it will be 21. 21 minus 15 is 6. 21 minus 14 is 7. And 21 minus 13 is 8. So we can write 21 as 2. Okay, 3 into 7. And 6 as 2 into 3 into 7, and 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Now we have to make pairs. So we got a pair of 3. So it will be 3. We got a pair of 7 also. It will be 7. A pair of 2 also. It will be 2 into 2, because another pair is it. So 7 to 7th is a 21. 21 into 4 is 84 meter square. Okay. So 84 meter square is the area of this triangle. So there is one more thing, that we can draw a height of triangle like this. Okay. It is the height of the triangle. If A, B, C, D, E, and this point be F. So DF will be the height and BC will be the base. So we can find the area also. So area of triangle equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Done. We know the base, but we don't know the height, but we know the area of that triangle, which we have got by this formula. So area of triangle is 84 equals to 1 by 2 into base is 15 into height. So h will be 84 multiplied by 2 divided by 15. Done. Now we can calculate it by dividing it by 3. So 3 5s are 15, and when we divide it by 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 8s are 24. Okay. So h equals to, now we will divide it by 5. So 5 on the 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. It will be 5.6 into 2. So h equals to 11.2. Okay. So 11.2 will be the height of that triangle. 11.2 meter. Okay. Now area of trapezium will be, because we have to find the whole area of the trapezium, it will be 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel side into height. This is the, okay. So this is the height of the triangle, and this will be the height of the whole trapezium also. Okay, and we know that height, which is 11.2. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 10 and 25 are the sum of parallel sides, multiplied by 11.2. So it will be 1 upon 2 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 11.2. When we divide it by, it will be 5.6 equals to. Now we have to multiply 35 by 5.6. So 35 by 56. So 35 6 are 210, 210, and 35 5s are 175. 175 and 21, 196. Okay, it will be 1960, and we have to place a point by this. So the total area will be 196 meter square. Okay class, this was the final answer. So class, this was the exercise number 12.2 completed. So for next video, you can watch the next videos. Okay, thank you class.